If you wanna go picnic, you certainly need to take a knife with you. Use the hot glue to make the case for the blade. Smudge the blade with a fatty cream or coconut oil. Apply a thick glue coat. Wait until it's cool. You may need to melt it above the flame to make the case smooth. This clever DIY sheath will protect your hand and other picnic stuff from getting cut and keep your knife safe and secure. If your pen has dried out, use the following tip. Get a lighter and hold the flame to the ballpoint tip, but don't do this too long because the plastic will melt and you cannot use the pen anymore. Here's an amazing way to steal your chips or plastic bags. You need a sheet of aluminum foil. If it's big, you may need to cut it off to a proper size. Fold the sheet over the opening. Covering the opening completely on both sides of the bag. Run the heat iron over the foil, being carefully not to touch the plastic or the contents. Wait for the foil to cool and remove. You now have a permanently sealed bag. Cut thick drinking straw out to half. Heat the end using a lighter. The melt plastic is sealed immediately. Then pour in some cosmetic. Fill the plastic tube about 3/4 full. Carefully seal the other end. Use the marker to write what's inside. Use this hat to carry your shower gel, shampoo, salt, or other things. You can put everything you need into your makeup bag. You can use drinking straw to cover the razor blade in case you lost the protection cap. All you need is a thick drinking straw. Cut it off into a proper size. Then cut it like this. Secure the razor blade. Let's make something interesting to strip the wire. To make our own made wire stripper, we'll need a pencil sharpener and a wooden close clip. Use the screwdriver to unfasten the blade out of the pencil sharpener. Fasten the blade into the wooden close clip like this. Now, your wire stripper is ready. Give it a try. It is very convenient, right? If you need to decorate your place with colorful LED string lights and you just have a single color one, I bet you definitely like this hack. Cut off the drinking straw into different colors to a side that covers the LED full. Glue the LEDs and voila, it looks very beautiful.